If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alpha Metallurgical Resources with the ticker symbol AMR. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for the donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for AMR. Looks like it made a peak around 186 before selling off all the way down to 104 before seeing a small little bounce. So what does it look like we're going to be doing next, most likely? Well, again, we've been going up for a few years now. Looks like since late 2020. So we had a nice run up. Looks like prices are still capable of continuing higher. If I go ahead and put a channel on here, you can see that prices are still respecting. Actually, prices were inside of this channel respecting it previously, and then we had the first break of this pattern, and now we are trending down. So I'm expecting prices to go up eventually, but after this downtrend is played out. You can see that it's going to make this orange, so to differentiate the two trends. So we had an uptrend, and now we are in a downtrend. But this downtrend to me is just a correction in my eyes. You can see that we're starting to get rejected from the EMA before we were being supported from it, and we're making lower lows, lower highs. So since we just bounced from this side of the channel, which is support, like we did back here on the 23rd of June, it sent prices to the opposite side of the channel. So since we got the bounce here, it should go to the opposite side of the channel most likely. So with that in mind, I'm expecting prices to come over here, maybe even come back to the EMA. And if we break this channel, that would be a very bullish sign because it shows signs of weakness, and this downtrend will probably come to an end after it goes back down to the previous low one more time. So that would be a good sign. So this is the pattern I'm looking to play out for AMR, because this is the first test right here of the 105 level. This is the second test, and if we break this channel and come down again, that would be a triple test of this 105 level, and then we'll probably go up to retest the previous high, because that was the first break of that channel. So I'm still looking for new highs, but it's all about timing. So you can see that longs started buying all over here, but they're just too early because the prices are still going down. So me personally, if I was trading this, I would be long bias, but I need to wait for this correction to end. And it's probably going to end when we play this type of pattern right here, where we have a breakout of this orange channel, retest of the previous low. If we find some type of support, which we probably will, we're going to continue higher back up to the all-time highs and probably even exceed it. So that's the pattern I'm seeing playing out for AMR. This is a coal company, so they are gonna be in high demand. So it looks like even the earnings are expected to continue rising. So the stock is doing pretty good. I'm expecting the technicals to also follow the fundamentals, and it looks like it can after this correction plays out. So that's everything I have for AMR. If we don't find any support at that 105 level, and if we just continue lower, then I would be looking for around that $70 level, the low 70s to the mid 70s, probably being the next strong support, because you can see that there's really not a lot of support built between this 105 and low 70 price level. You can see that we just shot up, and there's not a lot of like bases being created from that move up. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for AMR. This is the entire price history of this company since its IPO back in, looks like, September of 2016. Looks like the 2020 there was a massive drop. Probably the company almost went bankrupt, but you see that it recovered pretty nicely because it does mine coal and other minerals, so that's definitely needed in today's world. So we had the massive run up from around sub $5 all the way up to 186. So that's a large move up. So we're going to see a large move down also. A lot of people who have profits are going to be taking it. So that's why we're going to be seeing these large drops. I'm still expecting a retest of those highs. Is it guaranteed? No. But it is expected because we did get the first break of the pattern. But you can see that we're still in a downtrend. So I'm waiting for this downtrend to end, which I probably think in the next couple of weeks we will. And then maybe late August, early September, we'll probably see the reversal back up to the prior all-time highs. And we'll probably even exceed it. So that's the pattern I see playing out. Why do I think this time we're going to break the channel? Well, it's because we came back to that 105 level, which is a strong support. And you can see that last week bar, the candle bar for last week was bullish, because you can see that previous weeks were bigger red bodies, but this body is smaller. So you can see that the price traded all the way down to the 104 level, but buyers brought it back up all the way up to the 116, 117 level and then closed it right there. So this is a bullish candle. So I'm expecting continuation of the momentum to the upside before coming back down again. And then probably this time, once traders see that we can't break that 104, 105 level, they're going to start being long biased with the prevailing trend. So that's the pattern I see playing out for AMR. Does it have to do that? No. But I'm going to be saying what I see most likely occurring. Obviously, 1,000 things can occur, but I got to go with what's most likely to occur. And I think this is the pattern that they're going to try to pull off for this chart. Now, let's just say we don't find some top support at that 105 level. Like I said before, we're going to come back down to that, probably the 70s, maybe the high 70s, low 70s, because that's where the previous breakout level was. This was the previous high. Prices broke it. So whenever we see a pullback after the breakout, we usually come back to it. So there's also that possibility too. But again, if the bulls are strong, they don't have to let the sellers drop it down that low. But we'll have to wait and see. So that's everything I see for AMR. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.